Once upon a time, there was a peaceful kingdom. The king heard rumors that barbarians were going to attack his castle soon. So he called his two favorite pets, the huge gray goose and gander. "My dear goose and gander, our kingdom is in danger. Take my daughter to a safe place on top of the tallest hill," said the king. So the gray goose and gander flew the princess, who sat in a red sheet over the one-strand river, to the top of the tallest hill. 6 months had passed, but the kingdom was not attacked. The king regretted his decision and told the gray goose and gander to bring home his daughter. Then the king understood that he had to be careful before taking actions based up the rumors, which need not be true. The king was aware of his discretion before taking any decision.